Welcome to our video on Bitcoin, the first and largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. In this video, we'll be discussing what Bitcoin is, how it works, and the potential implications of this decentralized digital currency. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that uses blockchain technology to record and verify transactions. Instead of being controlled by a central authority, like a government or bank, transactions on the Bitcoin network are verified by a decentralized network of users. One of the key features of Bitcoin is that it is a limited currency, with a total supply of 21 million Bitcoins. This means that there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins in circulation, unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed by central banks. Another important aspect of Bitcoin is that it allows for pseudonymity, meaning that users can make transactions without revealing their identity. This has led to its use as a form of digital cash and has attracted attention from privacy advocates. Bitcoin has been around for over a decade now and has gone through its fair share of ups and downs. Despite this, it has managed to establish itself as a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies and has gained a lot of mainstream attention in recent years. While Bitcoin is still a relatively new technology and its long-term implications are yet to be fully understood, it has the potential to change the way we think about money and the financial system as a whole. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, be sure to subscribe to our channel.